Hi, this is Sharon Lim. I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator. I blog at sharonitwithyou.blogspot.com. And today we're doing a matchbook style card. It opens like this. Plenty of room to write things. And I use the Splendid Autumn DSP, but for our demonstration today, we're going to use a beautiful gallery DSP. Here's the template to cut up the DSP. We're going to use this sheet, the matchbook part. There's some measurements: 5 1/4 by 8 1/4 score at 3/4 and 4 3/4. Then the card base, cloud cover 4 1/4 by 5 1/2, the usual quarter sheet. So, gonna fold along the score lines. This is the matchbook's part here. Then we're going to adhere it to the card base, but let's go ahead and cut the DSP first. Let's bring the cutter. First cut is to cut off 3/4 off the top or the bottom. You just need to make it 5 1/4. This one doesn't have any direction, so it's fine. 3/4 there. Cut number 1. Cut number 2 is to cut off at 3 3/4, which is this measurement here. Then turn it to cut it to 5 inches. And then cut that 1/2 inch off. So you should have 3 pieces that you'll use. Okay, Stampin' Sale Plus, T for top to remind me. So let's put a little here. I do it in a clockwise direction just to make sure that the corners don't pop up. Center it on this piece. This piece goes on the inside. You leave a little frame. This one is 5 1/4, so it's the size of the card. And then this one, let's go ahead and bring the silicone mat. And make sure I'm matching here. And it gets centered also here. And the way to make the matchbook's part go, I cut a piece of the foam strips, about 5 1/4, and it just goes here. You can use dimensionals if you like, and that's what keeps it closed. So just a little quick flip and it opens, and that's it. I'll bring back the other cards here to show you. Thanks for letting me share this with you. If you like these video tutorials, please like, subscribe, and comment to my channel. Thanks, and have a great day. Bye.